Welcome back to my channel. Hey folks, we have a really interesting topic today. We're going to create a virtual USB pen drive within a virtual machine. You can see the instructions on the screen. First, we need to go to the command prompt and paste this line. After that, to create the virtual USB drive, you'll need to copy another line. But before you do, make sure to update the file path according to where you're saving your virtual disk. In my case, I'm going to copy the path from my documents, as you can see. Just copy and replace the existing path. And be sure to include all the correct backslashes. This is the full path where I'm going to save the virtual USB disk. Now I'm going to copy that command and paste it into the command prompt. It'll literally take a second to complete. Once it's done, we can go to the virtual machines directory, and you'll see the disk is there. I'll just copy that, and I can use it with any existing virtual machine. For this example, I'm going to use Windows 7. Now that we've copied the USB disk into the VM directory, we need to edit the VMX file. We need to find these two lines one by one in the VMX file. Copy the first line, go to the VMX file, search for it, and press Enter. If it's already there, great! If it's not, make sure to add it. Then do the same with the second line, copy it, search for it in the VMX file, and add it if it's missing. After that, we need to add these for additional lines to the VMX file. Just select and copy all 4 lines. Go to the bottom of the VMX file, paste them in, and save the file. That's it. Once saved, just double-click the VMX file to launch the virtual machine. Windows will start up, and as you can see, it automatically begins detecting the USB. It's installing the drivers. You can format it here, but we're going to open my computer and you'll see the new disk listed. We'll format the removable disk and give it any name. I'm going to call it Virtual USB. This will act as extra portable storage, in addition to the C drive. In this example, I've used Windows 7, but you can follow the same steps with any version, Windows 10, Windows 11, whichever version you're using. Just follow these instructions, format the USB, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.